In this video, we're going to take a look at how you can use Google Gemini to create a charming children's storybook using a custom Google Gem. Really easy to do. Let's take a look at how you do it. So I'm in Google Gemini, just gemini.google.com. Standard page here, but over on the left hand side I'm going to click on Gems. So there are preset gems here already. I'm going to click on the storybook one, and then I can take some of the inspiration from these. I'm going to type in my own description in the box down here. So I'm going to ask them to So I've already pre-prepared a prompt for it. So a young squirrel named Maple gets lost in the forest. I'm using probably a bit more detail than maybe you need to, but I wanted to get a story that I've kind of started to write. So young squirrel named Maple gets lost in the forest. We're trying to gather acorns, blah 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 blah. Incorporate themes of community and kindness, etc. Right, ready to go. I'm going to click submit. It'll take a little while to think about it. I'll speed up this bit of the video. Okay, so when it's done that, it'll produce your storybook like this. Here's the cover. I can then click on the cover and start working through the story. There's 10 pages here. I can just click through. So let's read through the story, make sure I'm happy with the content. Let's see how the story looks. That all looks okay. If you want to, you can listen to the story. So you can click on here and choose a high-pitched voice, low-pitched voice. Listen full screen, but I click on there and a voice will read out the story. So let's see how that sounds.
Bram lowered his head so Maple could see his kind face.
Not totally sure what this bit is, popping out the side of his head. Maybe I have to go back and make some changes on that one. If you want to make amendments, then you can click down in here and you can ask it to make some changes. So maybe you want to replace a character with somebody else, maybe you want to change the story a little bit, you can just suggest some changes here. It will do it for you. If you then want to share it, there is a sharing link just here. You can click on here and get a sharing link for Google Gemini. Copy that link. If you go to another browser, paste that link in, it'll just show the book and a listening link, so you can just play it as a big storybook. So if you're a teacher, you want to make a nice big book for the classroom to show on the interactive whiteboard, that'd be great. Or if you're making for this at home, that'll work as well. It does have an option here for download. I can't get that to work. It says it's going to download something, but it doesn't seem to want to download it. I'm not sure what format it would download it in, but basically if you just want to use it to create a storybook that you can play on screen, then this is the way to do it. So a nice quick way to make an on-screen flipped book with a nice charming story. You can customise this to your heart's content and see what kinds of thing you get. Hope you found that useful. Thanks for your time. Cheers. Goodbye.